Alright, so this is a flood damaged chainsaw, I guess. I had to do something to break up the rust in the cylinder, and the ring's already broken and one of the seals is already bad, so I figured I don't got much to lose, because I don't think this thing's ever going to run again. So ran it through there with some liquid wrench and stuff on it. But anyway, the ring snapped off when I tried to get it loose. So as far as I'm concerned, this is just junk. I mean, I don't know. It might be usable, but by the time you spent everything that you could have to get it fixed, you still got a bleached out saw that this is supposed to be black. You can see when I get oil on it, it looks black. This is supposed to be black, and the rest of the saw is just kind of crap. The chain's rusted. The bar's rusted. The nose cone still works. But, you know, all said and done, it'd probably be better to put it back together, take it back to Goodwill, and get my $9 back on credit. So anyways, that's the $9 saw.